TikTok needs a few features that needs to be added to it, period. I've had a lot of creators that I've interviewed that have said that this should be added, and it makes a lot of sense. So I'm going to make a list of numerous things that should be added to TikTok to make it a better place for everyone. All right, let's go. All right, first things first are scheduled posts. Now, scheduled posts would be just awesome all around because creators can schedule their posts when they actually are able to make content instead of like going, oh, should I release this now? Oh crap, I forgot to release it. My alarm went off. I got busy. You can just schedule the post. That'll be perfect. And it would help out everyone in the long run. Now, another one is categories. Toxic Cat from TikTok suggested this. Put a category for your profile, but I'm going to take it more broader. I think if you do it to your profile, it's going to just actually limit your profile. But if we do it to each post, like as in like this video is a comedy video, this video is a transition video, this video is a trending video, like kind of like put in each category. So that way the video can get pushed out to the proper audience so people can see it and consume it properly. Unlike all of these videos that we post and we hope to win the lottery, because sometimes it does not reach the right people, so it doesn't get pushed out any further. And that's just how TikTok works. It's annoying, but that's how it is right now. Another one is transparency. So like if there's something in a video where your video got taken down or your TikTok live got banned, it actually tells you in a screenshot and highlights it with like a highlighter or circles it, whatever it may be, what triggered the algorithm to take it down. So that way we know, okay, let's not add that particular item in the thing. Let's not add this in the video in general, but so that way like, okay, it's just triggering it. Why am I going to keep adding it? Just to help us as creators so we know what the algorithm doesn't like and what it likes. That transparency will be great. And like if say it says words in there, it actually will put in text, these words are considered as this, so we don't want it on TikTok. Oh, okay, that's a part of the track, but or whatever it may be, fine. Now we know. That helps us out and it helps them out get less emails. Now another one is a hashtag template. There are too many people who have to like copy all of these hashtags each time. And if you don't use the TikTok app with pressing the hashtag, it doesn't register as a hashtag. So a hashtag template would be awesome. Make everything simple, fast, and quicker for each creator that uses the same hashtags. Damn, I couldn't speak English for a moment. But everyone who uses the same hashtags on a regular basis. Now here's an interesting one that I thought of. I hate the interaction between the viewers and myself on TikTok Live. I hate it. There's no interaction. There's no fun with it. And you can't like I just read text and get to know people on a personal level, yes, but there's no real interaction. So for me, I think there should be a way where how you can go live on Twitch, how you can go live on YouTube, like a code that you can use to be able to, as your account, that you can use OBS Studio, Streamlabs, XSplit, whatever you want to use, to be able to go live. That would be a very cool feature, and it would actually make everyone enjoy TikTok Lives a little bit better. And it will be a different experience for everyone because everyone could have a totally different experience than anyone. And it would make it so much interactive. But that I've been thinking about that since day one, since I did a TikTok Live and I've been on Twitch. I've been on Twitch longer than TikTok, and Twitch, there's so much more interaction. It's ridiculous. Now, the one that everyone wishes we've had for about a year now is a 18 or older button. Everyone has videos that is either thirst content, that is either like risque, that is either like, oh my god, like that looked like that killed someone, but it really didn't. It just was acted out. It was an act. It's a short video, hence TikTok, short video. We're not actually doing these things. An 18 or older button. Yes, that is what we need. So these children can go, the ones that are, okay, let me rephrase that. So the children who are immature and just wanted like talk crap like keyboard warriors can scurry on away and not see it. Now, there are children who actually are smart, but there's not that many. So, with that being said, these are like the main things TikTok really needs to add in to make the app a lot better. It would make everyone's life a lot easier and more unique depending on what I was talking about with like going live. It would make it unique. With everything else, it would just make TikTok a better place for everyone. Well, with that being said, I think I got this video done pretty quickly. And that's it. Talk to you later. Peace out and keep on TikToking. Bye.